So I'm starting with the app that we created in the previous session, which has got our departments, employees and grade information. And if we view the app, so I'm just going to bring it up here, we've got a way to sort of add and view all the departments, add and view all the employees, and add and view grade information. Now currently we've only got one icon in our navigation panel over here, which is home, which takes us to home. So I could go into an employee like this, then I can click home. But just to demonstrate adding some of the interface elements that we can use in this navigation bar up here, let's add some icons for the three areas that we can go into. For example, departments, employees and grades. So I'm going to go back into Mendix, and to find the navigation part of the interface, it's going to be up here inside the app bit up here. So if you tap on the chevron and expand it, and you'll see an entry for navigation, which I can double click to open up. Now this is a very familiar layout with information at the top, and then what we can do is down the bottom here, we've got this kind of list dialog, list of items in a sort of space at the bottom of the panel. So I can click new item, and let's give it a caption. Let's call it department. I'm just going to abbreviate it to department, and we can add an icon. So let's add an icon. What do we got here? We've got something like a house or something. Yeah, home maybe. I don't know. That'll do. And then what we need to do is we need to specify what will happen when we actually click that picture, that icon. And we're using this thing that says on click. So there's this notion that when the user clicks on this icon, this event will trigger, something will happen. We say the on click event will trigger. And what will we do? Well, we'll simply open a page. So there's a lot of different things that we can actually do here. Let's show a page. And what I can then do is I can navigate into my first module, and I can pick the page that I want to go to. And the page that we want to go to is the one that says view departments. So I'm just going to select that, and then I can click OK. And let's save it and try it out. So I'm going to reconstruct the app. So while that's recompiling, obviously you'll have a collection of items down here. You can create a new item, you can double tap, or you can single tap and then edit. You can delete the items. And that's when the sub dialog box pops up, and then you can change all those values. Okay, so my app is ready, so I can click on View App. And now hopefully I've got two icons over here. So I could click on here, that obviously takes me home. That one takes me into departments. Back home. I could be inside employees. I could click on here, it takes me into departments. So let's add two other icons for the two other tables. So I'm just going to go new item, let's go emp, let's pick an icon. I've got something like a person or something. Yeah, there's a user, that'll do. And then we're going to show a page. We'll look inside my first module, and it's going to be called View Employees. So we just select that one. And let's do one for grade as well. So grade, pick an icon, something to do with money maybe. I don't know if there's anything here that will work for that. Yeah, something like that, I don't know. Whichever icon you like, I'll pick that one. And now this is going to, when we say show a page, because of the way that we generated the grade pages, that's going to be inside this overview pages section. We're going to pick the grade overview page. I'm going to select that, click OK. Let's recreate the app, make sure we save all our changes. Should be a lot quicker. There we go, let's view the app. And now, hopefully, we've got the ability to go home. Obviously, that's the page, it doesn't do anything. Go to departments, go to employees, go to grade information. And I can jump very quickly between these. Obviously, for this interface, all I'm doing is I'm duplicating links that we've got on the front page. But you can design your navigation so it does whatever you like. Obviously, you don't have to have exactly the same icons here as you have that are on the front page. The only other bit to demonstrate is if I click on the little 3 parallel lines, the burger menu, you can make that open up and close so you can see the words that we associated with those icons when we're constructing the navigation menu.